Hey guys, all right, so today I've mixed up 3 TLP pigments, and the colors I'm gonna be using are Lagoon, and this is a beautiful color. And I don't know if you guys can see the consistency, but that's about where I'm at with that. And I mixed all of my pigments with Jo Sonja's varnish and then mixed pouring medium. And here is Twilight. It's a beautiful color also. My shirt matches it. But this color is wonderful. And then the final color for the pigments that I'm going to be using is Athena. I absolutely love Athena. It's got this beautiful gold pink iridescence to it. So I'm really interested in seeing how it turns out in the pour. So, all right. Now, oh, I'm so sorry. I actually have some leftover Constellation from a pour I did the other day, and let me get that for you so you guys can see how gorgeous this did. All right. Now this is like stunning. Hopefully you guys can see the sheen on there of the Constellation, the Maraschino and Grenache. I mixed those together. And then this is Latte. And this came out so awesome. I was really surprised at how well it dried and the beautiful glistening sheen to it. So I do have some Constellation. It does seem to be a little bit thinner than my other paints, so I actually may not use that. I'm just gonna put that to the side. The other bit that I'm using is Artist Loft Flow White with Satin Enamel, as well as Golden's Payne's Gray. And these are all mixed with mix. And then finally, I just have a little bit of 24K Gold mixed up in here with a little bit of Floetrol. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna layer up a couple of cups. I think to start, I'll probably do this 24-ounce cup and see how far that takes me. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is put the Athena in. And then I'm gonna come in with a little bit of Payne's Gray. It is Payne's Gray. If I said Prussian Blue in the beginning, that is incorrect. It is Payne's Gray by Golden's. A little bit of gold. And then I'm gonna follow that up with some white. And let's come in with, I think it's the Lagoon. Oh, good Lord, did I already forget the colors? Yeah, Lagoon. And okay. And the Payne's Gray again. I come in with Twilight. And a little bit of the white. I'm like having a couple of shoes here. There we go. All right. Let's do some of the Lagoon. And the Payne's Gray again. do a little bit of Athena. Payne's gray. Come in with some white. Gold. And let's do Lagoon real quick. So I think this is gonna be my cup for now. And I'm just gonna do a wandering straight pour. And I have another cup over here that is an 18 ounce. And then I also have a 8 ounce. So we'll see what we decide to do here. So we're gonna start from here. I'm gonna layer up another cup. And we're gonna start with, how about the Twilight this time? The gold. So pretty in here. And the Athena. Payne's gray. All right, and then we're gonna come this way. Like two different paintings. Okay. I love this. It's so pretty. It's got a lot of details going on here. area is a little plain, but we'll see what we can do. I think I'm gonna thin my Payne's gray down a little bit. It is a little bit on the thicker side. Love this green in this area. The lagoon is so beautiful. And I think what I want to do is bring this back a little to open up a little more of what's going on here. I'm going to bring it this way, but I don't want the top area. All right, so I'm digging this piece. It's very, to me, it just gives off a galactic vibe. I'm not sure if that's appropriate. Maybe it's a starburst. I have no idea. But these colors, I can't wait until this dries. I can't wait to see what is gonna come of it. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up my corners and my edges and we'll be back. Okay, here we are. Pardon the lighting, but I'm super happy with this. This is gonna be gorgeous. This is gonna dry just beautifully. So it's kind of like a little star explosion or something. I have no idea. We'll see when it dries on what we'll call it, but I love, 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 love the lagoon in here and the Athena. And we've got Athena in here, over to here. This is gonna be pretty cool when it's dry. I'm gonna turn off the lights. There we go. You'll be able to see better. Okay. Of course, now the lights are blocking the lights. Okay, here we go. There we are. It's gonna look awesome. All right, guys, you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. And you can get TLP Pigments from the Fluid Art Co. There's a link below in the video description box. And what else? I don't know. Have a great day, guys. Bye.